In this example, we are asked to calculate the length of the side AB of the triangle ABC, in which AC is 6.5 centimeters and BC is 8.7 centimeters, and the angle of ACB is 100 degrees. So since we are given the angle of 100 degrees, so that means we will have an angle of, so in this scenario, we would have BCA. So that's how the angle of 100 degrees would look like. And we're asked to find the length of AB. So that's BCA. And we're asked to find the length of AB. Now we're given AC to be 6.5 centimeters, and we have BC to be 8.7 centimeters. So since we are working with a non-right angled triangle, we can use the cosine rule to help us to find our side. So we can use c squared equal a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine a. So now we can assign a squared in this scenario. So we have c squared, and we assign the 6.5 to be the b, and also the 8.5 to be the a. So in this scenario, we have 8.7 squared plus 6.5 squared minus 2 multiplied by 8.7 multiplied by 6.5, and cosine of 100 degrees. So that will help us in terms of simplifying the expression and finding the square root. So that will give us 75.69 plus 42.24, and we would also have minus 19.639. So that will give us, we can take the square root of adding and simplifying this expression and taking the square root. That would give us C being 11.729. So now this is equivalent to AB. So that means AB, C equals AB, and that will be, we can take 3 significant figures. That will be 11.7 centimeters, and this will be our answer for this question. In this example, we are asked to find the size of the smallest angle in a triangle whose sides have lengths of 3, 5, and 6. So in this scenario, we need to think about the lengths. So we're looking at 3, and then we have a 5, and also going back as a 6. So that will give us A, B, and C. So we have 6 centimeters here, 5 centimeters here, and we have 3 centimeters here. So now, since we are trying to find the angle, then the smallest angle, so that we can use the cosine rule and the rewritten version of cosine rule. So that will be cosine C, and the angle will be A. The angle, the smallest angle, is the angle opposite, which is angle C. So this is one is ABC. So this is what we're trying to find, ABC. So this is the angle that we're trying to find. So now for us to find this angle, that would be cosine C equal A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2AB. So now we will need to assign the values in this scenario. So the 3 is assigned as C squared. So C is 3 centimeters, and we have A to be 5 centimeters and B to be 6 centimeters. And now we will just plug these values into the equation. So that will give us a square of 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 3 squared over 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. So that will give us 0.866 or 67. So in terms of now, because it's a cosine, so we will use C equal cosine inverse of a 0.866. So that will give us the angle of C to be 29.9 degrees, and this is the smallest angle for the triangle that we have here. In this example, we have a coast guard station. B is 8 kilometers on a bearing of 60 degrees. So first, if we have a bearing, we write the north and where is it located. Now we have a coast guard and a bearing of 60 degrees. So we'll move from this location on 60 degrees. So that's 60 degrees, and we know that it's 8 kilometers, so that's from point B to point B, and from Coast Guard Station A. So that's starting from Coast Guard Station A. A ship C is 4.8 kilometers on a bearing of 18 degrees. So now away from A. So that means we're starting from point A again, and we're going on 18 degrees towards C. So that, let's say this is 18 degrees, and this is point C, and this is B. And now calculate how far C is from B, and this is the area that we need to find, which is C to B. So now this is a triangle, and we have the 60 degrees. So now we need to find this angle that we could use, and also to help us find this side. Now we can use the cosine rule, and we use the rule of a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. So in this scenario, we will assign, we know that C is 4.8 kilometer. So now A squared would be 4.8 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 multiplied by 4.8 multiplied by 8 cosine of the angle. So in this scenario, we have 60 taken away. So the angle A will be 60 degrees take away 18, so that will give us 42 degrees. So now we can use that 42 degrees here, and that will help us to find the length of A. So that will be in the form, so in this, the A squared will be 29.966, and A will be 5.47 kilometers in this scenario, and in this scenario it's equivalent to the length of C. So C is 5.47 kilometers away from station B, and this will be our answer for this question.